Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and today we're going to take a look at a piece of tech you probably use every single day, probably more than once. This is the Laifen Wave electric toothbrush. Big thanks to Laifen for sponsoring this video and sending this toothbrush over for us to check out. Now, this is actually the most premium toothbrush I've ever seen. Honestly, if Apple were to make a toothbrush, this is probably what it would look like. We're going to take a quick look what comes in the box, including multiple brush heads, and then talk about the features that makes this so special. So let's dive into our unboxing of the Laifen Wave. And here it is, the Laifen Wave electric toothbrush. Even the box gives very specific vibes. Opening the box right away, we have our toothbrush, which we're gonna set to the side. Actually kind of crazy how small this handle is. And doesn't this look a little familiar? Up towards the top, designed by Laifen. Inside, you've got your warranty info, user manual, quick start guide. Next, you have a cable here, which has a really nice braided look to it. It's USB Type-C on the end, plus their proprietary magnetic connector. A quick look at the cable. We'll talk more about this connector and why it's so great in just a little bit. Finally, you have 3 brush heads, and it's great because all 3 of these are different. Opening them up. It's great they include all 3 bristles so you can determine which ones you like best, or even use specific ones for different use cases. Some are a little bit softer than others, and obviously just a little bit of a different shape. Laifen is also very cost conscious about these if you'd like to replace them. So you find the ones you like and you can reorder them on their website at a lower cost. I'll post the cost right here. And on to what you came to see, the Laifen Wave. This is a pressure sensitive button. You can long press to turn off flight mode, press the power button to turn on, or double press to switch modes. With that being said, now this is the white model, but keep in mind there is a stainless steel and an aluminum alloy if that just looks better for your aesthetic. And a close look. I'd like to point out this is a unibody design. Even the button doesn't have any crevices to collect any sort of dirt, so it's going to keep itself very clean. That's a big problem with some electric toothbrushes out there. There's the connector for that charger, and just an overall very clean, very compact looking device. If we press the power button, we'll notice that airplane light up. Now, if we just hold it down, it will give a nice subtle vibration. I really like the haptics in this to let us know we are good to go and we can turn it on. Now, it is moving here. Well, let's grab one of our brushes. Now an official look with the brush head up towards the top. If we press that power button, lets you know there's a quick look at that 60-degree oscillation that it has going back and forth. Now, if we double press, you'll notice 2 icons light up there because it's in a different mode. And if we do it again, 3. So there's 3 presets. This one's probably the most rigorous, and you can fully customize it within the app. Something I love is that it puts itself in sort of a sleep mode when not in use, and when you pick it up, it gives a really subtle vibration. It's just such a premium feeling toothbrush. Now, with that charger, it goes either way, and a very strong magnet to connect it. And you can get up to a month's worth of charge. So anytime I'm traveling, this is no problem. Obviously, with this, how compact it is, it's just great to bring with you, and just fits on your sink. And just so you can see how it works, down at the bottom, very strong magnet, fits either way, and I love that they used USB Type-C. Plus, this will charge in just about 2.5 hours. With that being said, a charge will last up to 30 days, which is fantastic because you can easily use it at home and also take it on trips with you, especially with how compact the size is. The Laifen Wave also comes in different colors, not just the white, but aluminum and stainless steel. Now, I first saw the Laifen Wave at CES this year and was really impressed. I love the different styles, not just the white, but also the aluminum, the stainless steel. It's great that you can change the aesthetic depending on what you're going for. So after using the Laifen Wave twice a day, I've got to say the clean I get, my mouth just feels cleaner overall than previous electric toothbrushes I've used. And I'm going to dive right into it. One of the best features is the design. Now, not just because it looks great, which it really does. It fits the aesthetic of just about every bathroom I've been in. But anyways, when it comes down to it,
it's great because you don't really have to clean it that often. Yes, of course, I'm going to rinse it off, but it doesn't collect that gunk that has gotten on previous electric toothbrushes that I've used because there's no creases, crevices for stuff to get into. It actually doesn't get that dirty. It's a noticeable improvement, and on top of that, because it's smaller, which, don't get me wrong, still very comfortable in the hand, since it's smaller, it fits in backpacks, in DOP kits. And so when I travel, it's great to bring with me. I don't hesitate to bring it with me. First of all, because it's convenient, fits well, but also that battery life lasts so long, I don't have to worry about it dying while I'm traveling. And when traveling, it's great to put in flight mode, backpack mode, whatever you want to call it. It even has an icon to let you know, just press and hold that button, and then it's not going to accidentally start buzzing in your backpack. Laifen has a companion app where you can connect your toothbrush and fully customize it. You can remotely turn it on, toggle that flight mode. There's a 30-second reminder and turning on high frequency. And at the bottom are the different modes that are fully customizable based on 3 different features. You have vibration strength, oscillation range, and oscillation strength. So watch when I turn it to mode 3 where I have everything turned up. Look at the range that it's going back and forth and the pace that it's moving. It's really powerful with 66,000 vibrations per minute, and Laifen has their self-developed servo system, which will maintain consistent brushing force at all times. It's nice that it includes 3 types of heads for the toothbrush, which are very inexpensive on their website for refills. So that's nice that they're very conscious about price for those. But it's nice to swap them out in case you want a different type of clean with your gums or your teeth. On the tech side of things, the Laifen Wave has a 60-degree oscillation when you turn it on, which is great, not just for cleaning your teeth, but also your gums. This will make sure you still get a solid cleaning, even if you're not using proper technique. And finally, this toothbrush is IPX7 rated, and as you know, probably over the years with cell phones and such, that means you can submerge it in water for up to 30 minutes. So yes, you can brush your teeth in the shower. You don't have to worry about dropping it in the sink with a lot of water, putting it under the faucet. You're all good. So that's it for me on the new Laifen Wave electric toothbrush. I can definitely say I'm going to be using this for a while now. Big shout out to Laifen for sponsoring this video. But again, all opinions are my own. I definitely can recommend this. Anyways, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. All links will be down in the description of the video below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. A lot more content coming soon. And as always, thanks for watching.